Imagine getting paid $25 an hour just to play with apps on your phone, anywhere, anytime. Welcome to EasySell. I'm your name, and today I'm diving into WriteAppReviews, a platform that pays you to test and review apps, starting at just $1 for your first 3 days. It's the ultimate side hustle, but does it really work? Or is it too good to be true? Stick around for 8 minutes. I've tried it, and the results might change your wallet. Finding legit ways to make money online is tough. Most gigs demand hours of work for pennies or turn out to be scams. I've been there, wasting time on apps that never paid, feeling stuck while bills piled up. WriteAppReviews promises a way out. Download apps, test them, write a quick review, and get paid $25 to $35 an hour, all from your phone. But with so many shady platforms, can you trust this? Or will it just leave you broke and frustrated? Quick pause. This isn't about reviewing your ex's dating app profile. We're talking real cash here. So does WriteAppReviews pay up? I signed up, tested apps, and tracked my earnings. What I found might shock you. Don't go anywhere. Here's the deal. WriteAppReviews lets you earn by testing apps on your phone or tablet. Sign up for $1, get certified with their quick training, then pick from tons of apps, gains, fitness, music, and write short reviews. I tested it. Reviewed a cooking app, spent 30 minutes, then made $15. It's remote, flexible, and pays weekly via PayPal or direct deposit. No cap on earnings, and you keep 100% of what you make. But wait, nothing's perfect, right? What's the catch, and why should you jump in? Let's break it down. The wins. It's legit. Members average $25 to $35 an hour, and you choose your hours. Take Sarah, a 29-year-old mom. She made $150 her first week reviewing fitness apps. Or Mike, a 33-year-old gamer, $200 in a month testing game apps. Real people, real money. The catch? The $1 trial jumps to $27 per month after 3 days, but you can cancel any time with a 60-day refund. You need a device for iOS or Android apps, and it's work, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Still, for $1 to start, it's a low-risk shot at steady cash. Thinking, I'm not a tech pro? If you can download an app, you're golden. Trust me. But is $1 worth it today? One final twist could make it a no-brainer. Stay tuned. Final call. WriteAppReviews is a 7.5/10. It's not millions overnight, but my $15 test proves it pays. $1 gets you in, with potential for $25 to $35 an hour. Sarah and Mike turned it into income. You can too. It's your chance to ditch the grind and earn from your phone starting now. This $1 deal won't last. Others are cashing in while you wait. Act fast. Click below to join WriteAppReviews for $1. Start earning today. Then hit the end screen. This is EasySell. Let's make money simple.